Okay, then we have go to the today's question 2785 short vowels in a string. Alright, given a zero index string as permute as to a string. Given the archaic zero string as permute as to get a new string t such that all constants remain in their original places. More formally, if there is an index I with zeros I as dot length such that si is a constant, then ti equal to si, right? तो ये कह रहा है कि all constant remain है in their original process, right? And more formally index है I with zero, right? Less than I equal less than equal to I, and I less than s dot length such that si is a constant, si जो है constant है और ti equal to si है, and the vowel must be sorted in the non-decreasing order of the SI values. More formally, for pair index ij with 0 less than I equal to I and less than 0 less than j less than s dot length. So the si and sj are vowels. Ti must have a higher si values than tj. So a, e, I, o, u, and they can appear in lowercase, uppercase, consonant, comma wise, right? So code ये दे रखा है. Okay, then I would like hold a second, guys. I was thinking, how can I do? Hmm, okay, to read कर देते हैं. Then like इंस्टीट्यूशन क्या होगा, वो ये प्रॉब्लम तो कर रहा है शॉर्ट ऑल वोल्स इन स्ट्रिंग, राइट? So while keeping constant consonant in their original position, the approach is to exact all vowels, sort them independently, then place the sorted vowels back in their original vowel position, right? So this preserves the overall structure while organizing vowels alphabetically. So we will try to approach. Approach is like we will use like three phases: extraction, short replacement strategy, right? So first vowel extraction. So scan the string and collect all vowels, both uppercase and lowercase, in order, right? And second vowel sorting, like sort the extracted vowels alphabetically, uppercase before lowercase due to ASCII values, right? And third replacement phase, iterate through the string again and placing each vowel position with the next short vowel, right? And then fourth, position tracking. Use a counter to track which is sorted vowel to the next, right? And edge case handling. If no vowel exit, returns the original string unchanged, right? So this approach maintains the consonant structure while recognizing only the vowel character, right? And what about complexity? So time complexity, big O and log v, and is like string length, and v is the number of vowels, right? And space complexity big O and like Vigo and space complexity हो जाएगी, like we can create a list copy of the string and store extracted vowels separately, right? So what about to so Right, so we will write the code. Right. Okay, then all the seven ways. Okay, then we like the code. What about the code? We will write in Java. If you want to any C++, let me know. I will provide. Character, character vowels is equal to new array list array list for AIOU, right? So here dot index of right C. Okay, like C, to -1 and vowels dot add C. Now collections collections dot sort vowels. Okay, vowels, and then you like to string builder. The result is equal to new string builder int v for for receive as dot to if like a I o u a o u is a I o u small lowercase uppercase, right? Dot index index of c -1, then result append was dot get previous index plus plus else result append, right? Dot append c. Okay, then return result dot to string. Okay, then we have to like to run the code. Compiler error 5. What was the wrong? AIOU, right? AI hearing right index for capital the of Right, you would like to run the code. Let's see. Yes, he has to and to submit the code. Here you go. 16 days streaks are complete now, and you can check my the ID guys. Right, I've done a lot of question doing. Right, 542 question handling, and also I do contest, and you can upward and go to solution. Right. So guys, please subscribe my channel. Okay.